Hello everyone, and welcome back. I'm out here in the workshop today. I've been hired to build a couple of their, I don't know, cubbies or whatever for where Emily works. I'll show you what they look like right here. I have one of the guys that works for me. Him and I are going to do this little project together. And today we're just going to get these cut and get some of the boards glued up. And I just come out here right now. I got to get my skill saw because it's just about to pour rain outside. I have to make 2 sets of the cubbies. Each one is going to be about 60. It's going to end up being about 61 or 62 inches wide. They're 54 inches tall, and I just have to match the ones that they already have at the daycare right now. This way.
Yeah, so I'll clamp it this way and this way.
Yeah, and we'll have to have 3 sets on these, I suppose.
3. One, yeah, like.
For at least for this way.
Yeah.
Glue roller.
Yeah.
That worked. It worked okay. I did that when I was doing the basement next door.
Yeah. Was it made of just plastic or?
Yeah, I think it had like a real thin like felt on it, so it was almost like a little roller.
So you could like I don't know if you ever clean it or.
I just think you just throw it out.
You just throw them out. Yeah.
Well, so far I have 3 of them that are all glued up and 3 more that are in the clamps. I have a total of 16 that have to be done. It's a couple days later now. Everything has been glued up and has had a couple of days to dry. These 2 over here are a little bit bigger. They're going to be the tops. And now I'm just taking and cutting these down to the right height. They need to be 53 1/4 inches, and then after the top goes on there, it'll be right at 54. Well, I've got all of the sides are cut, all of the back pieces are cut. And now the worst part, I've got a shelf that goes in here, and I want to get it routed in because there's no real way to really get that fastened properly. And this is going to be the worst part of the whole entire project. It's going to be tedious. It has to be perfect. And, you know, this isn't no big cabinet shop. It's hard to do things when you don't have the exact right tools, but I'll do the best I can, and I'm sure it'll turn out just fine. Yesterday I was just about to run that first board through the router, and all of a sudden I had a whole bunch of stuff I had to do. Paperwork I call it, but it was on the computer for work, and that never happened. So I'm back out here today. It's actually a rain day today, so I have some time to work on it, and it went from being mid-80s yesterday and so humid too raining, a cold front came through and it's kind of chilly and damp, so I want to start a fire in the stove here just for a little while, and it'll warm it up just a little bit, and it'll help take the dampness out of the air. Everything is routed now. Now it's just time to sand. We'll have to sand for a couple hours. All these are too wide now to go through my planer, so it has to be done by hand. Everything has been sanded once with the coarser sandpaper. Now I'm going over it with a finer sandpaper. And after that we can finally start putting all this together. Just went in and had some lunch. Corey's just about done with the sanding in the other room. And I'm starting to put the first cubby set together.
You do this?
They're just behind everything now.
Then behind it?
Yeah, you might be able to get them out. You gotta go around.
Yeah. Right here?
Up, keep going. Over on that side.
Right here?
Yeah.
Is yours too?
Yep.
Oh, that's yours too? Oh, that's Corey's?
That's mine.
And do it?
You want to do it?
Yeah.
Go ahead. Pull the trigger right there. Gotta pull it pretty hard.
You do this one.
Okay. Yeah. You want to do this one?
Huh? Yeah.
Okay, try that one. Here you go.
You do that one and that one, okay?
Okay. Can you feel the air? You feel that air? Yeah. Well, I'm out here the next day. It's I don't know, just about 10:30 in the morning right now. Xander ended up coming over yesterday afternoon and got to eat some raspberries and cherry tomatoes and plums out of the garden. And this morning I went and got the guys started at work, and now it'll just be me working on this one and putting together the next one. And this is one of those jobs that I shouldn't have even really taken. I am so busy with other work right now. But, you know, my daughter works here, and the daycare, it's like a daycare, but they also teach the kids. I don't know what you call that. But anyway, they're in a bind, and they need these. And now with school starting, I believe that they have a bunch of kids that get dropped off there and then catch the bus there. And these cubbies, they have tons of them in that building, is where they the kids store their coat and stuff until the bus comes. Well, that's basically all the building that has to be done on it. I have to do some sanding on that, the very top. It sticks out a little more than a 1/16 on that left side. And that has to be wrapped with a 1x2 on 3 sides that's planed down to about 3/8 of an inch thick. And then I have to run my router around all of these openings in here and round off the corners. But I still have to build the second one, so I think I'm going to go in and have some lunch, and then I'll come back and start putting the second one together. Well, once again, it's a couple of days later, and I'm just kind of falling behind on stuff, so it's raining outside today, so I got back here, and I'm just about finished. I mean, just about ready for stain, but I have to do the routering around the edges of these cubbies. All the routering is done on this one here. I have to go through with some putty and fill the little nail holes where I shot it with the air gun. And then I can sand this front, and the front part will be all done. All done with the routering. All the holes are filled. It's about 2 minutes to noon. I think I'll go in and have some lunch. Come out and sand this. And maybe I'll even get some stain on it today. All the first set of cubbies, that's all stained now. Everything's complete except for varnish. So now I'm gonna, it's already 6 o'clock at night, but I want to get started on this second one. Because I'm pretty sick of doing cubbies, that's for sure. Just finished staining this second one. It's just about 8 o'clock at night. I'm going to run inside. I don't even know what I'm going to make for supper yet, but let these dry, and tomorrow, after I do some work stuff, I can get out here and get that first coat of varnish. So I'm back out here now this afternoon, varnishing these, the first coat, which ends up almost just being like a sanding sealer. But I thought I would have a lot more time out here today, but work got super busy and didn't work out quite the way I thought. 4 hours and 15 minutes later, I've got them all varnished now, or polyed, or sealed, whatever you want to call it. I got 2 coats on the top actually, and I put a second coat on the shelf area too. Because inside of those cubbies, there's like a little box it's like a box that's covered in cloth, but it's still, they have to pull it out and push it in to put their mittens and their hats and stuff in there. And I noticed the ones that are at the daycare now are getting scratched up on the bottom. So I put a second coat on right now. And then this whole cubby thing will get another 2 coats of varnish. So at that point, then, you know, there'll be 4 coats on the shelves and 4 coats on the very top. That's enough for today. I'll come out and hopefully finish these up tomorrow. This cubby is officially done, except for I have to put the little coat hanger brackets up underneath here, which won't take long, so one more left to do. Except for the 10 little things I have to put underneath the shelf so the kids can hang their coats. I am 100% done. Actually, I have a Sunday. I'm going to install these. They're meeting me there at noon to open up the Learning Center and get them installed. One more job finished. Thanks a lot for watching, everybody. I will see you guys on the next video.